I got $1,600 worth of things for 82 bucks. Hey love, so ignore how I look and ignore my background, but I am in my living room and I want to show you guys this cool, awesome, amazing haul that we got the other day. So I found out that the Party City down the street from my house was going out of business, and it's just that store, not the company as a whole. But when I found out, they were already at like 90 to 95% off of their stuff. So it started off like small discounts and it grew, obviously. So I wish I could have found way more stuff, but I found a whole lot of stuff. I got like $1,600 worth of stuff for $82. So today, I'm just gonna go through the haul and show you guys the stuff that I got. As many of you guys know who follow me, I do event planning. So I do a lot of different parties, DIYs and stuff like that, especially with my YouTube videos. So I figured with this stuff, I can use it for events, I can use it for my videos, I can use it for my own wedding. So follow me along while I go through this haul. Hopefully it's not too long, but my daughter's gonna be here with me to kind of show all the stuff with you guys. But yeah, so it's first thing in the morning, and yeah, so let's see what we got here.
My favorite part is the costumes. So
I'll let her explain the costumes.
one costume for each of us, but then we were thinking of getting a whole bunch of costumes.
Guys, mind you, these costumes usually go for about like 50 bucks, honestly, and I got them all for about $1.10 each. So this was definitely a good blessing here. So what kind of costumes did we get? Show them just a couple of them. You don't have to show all of them.
So we got this little thing.
You don't gotta take it out, baby.
It's perfect for winter.
What size is it?
It is
So Arctic Princess.
To go from.
I think I'm gonna wear that one, guys, for Halloween because my son is in love with Spider-Man. My fiance thought these were really funny. Support briefs. It says he's fallen and he can't get up. And then one for a girl. We fallen and we can't get up. Then for the kids.
And then this is all what stuff.
Aiden, our son is really into Spider-Man. So got a whole bunch of the bubble Spider-Mans. Spider-Man sticker sets. These are like kind of like Rubik's Cube, so there's a mermaid. I got that for part of the party favor stuff.
Have all these little doll brushes.
This is also a part of the party favors as well. So I got a bunch of different little like toy stuff. Some are party favors, some are stuff for the kids. Got like basketball hoops, some pens, clappers. These are clappers. The brushes, these like Rubik's Cube things. things like this. These are all like party favors. I got horns and blowouts. I got some like giant wall scene things. Confetti, I got this because my friend is throwing a Friendsgiving this year, so I figured this would be cute little like Thanksgiving confetti to decorate the table with. I got these because I do like personalized labels, so they're already like pre-cut. You just print. So I got like 2 of those. This is another little like event kit that I got. Thought it'd be cute for like a bridal party or what do you call it? Oh, bridal shower, I'm sorry. Or like an engagement. Still got all of this stuff to go through, guys. Got this for a dog party. I mean, I don't really know if I'd do it, but it was like 5 cents, so whatever.
My mommy got a bunch of wedding and birthday party stuff and other stuff.
Yep, so I did get some invitations, like this one for a baby shower. You can kind of customize it. Also got like a bunch of favor boxes. So I got like these pink ones, these ones already have them wrapped. You just fill them. Got these other favor boxes and these favor boxes. They're like hearts. Now these were originally like $40 and I got it for like $3. Not even, honestly. And then these favor boxes, they're kind of like those takeout pails. Yeah.
We have like these little green bean things you put stuff in.
So that's another favor kit, but I thought this would be cute for maybe like a little jungle event or a baby shower or something. That would be cute. So we got all of these different favor kits. Now let's see the other stuff that we got. Now I missed one thing though with the invitations. I also had got this pack of invitations. Again, it's printable stuff. Set of 25. To go along with the favor boxes, we also got these other things for the favors.
So we have these little circle things. And we have them in black.
I'm gonna show them what it is up close to the camera. So, yep. So they're Thule circles. You can put like candy in them and you just tie them up. And they're packs of 25.
And we have different colors too. We have pink, black, green, and this lavender.
Yep. And then there's also this one too. These are favored like treat bags as well for people to put their candy in. And this one actually comes with the bows, which I love because a lot of times they won't come with the bows. We also got these tags for those Thules. So for my own wedding, our colors are white or ivory, gold, and emerald. So I will be using these and these ones for our favors.
4 of these tags in teal.
4 of the gold ones. 2 of these blue teal ones. And then I got 2 packs of the black ones. All right, so these right here are the monogram seals. So like you put them on envelope seals to close your envelope. So some of them I got have letters on it, like these are S, so I might use them for my own wedding. But then we have some other different ones too. You want to show them some of them?
So we have like this one that looks kind of like a tree. And this one.
Labels, these are more so address labels. There's some more banners that I got. This one says happy birthday. Then there's these loot bags to go along with it. And then I got like some like black and white plates and napkins, that they had. I literally just grabbed whatever I knew I could use. So there's like these types of plates. Not plates. Napkins. These types of napkins. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these packs of the smaller ones. And one like this is a bigger pack, so 30, value pack 30. And then a bottle bag. Gold napkins. Y'all, this whole time I was talking to myself and wasn't recording. So let's start over. These ones I had mentioned that I had did like kind of like a brunch and Tiffany's, breakfast and Tiffany's, whatever. These I thought would be cute for that. It's like blue, black, and white themed napkins, and I got 6 of the 16 packs. Got these green napkins to kind of go with my wedding theme. These 2 packs of 8-count plates. Also, so this I got for a video, so y'all have to stay tuned for it. But they had like a whole kit for this. So I got 3 of these. 3 of the smaller ones, 8-count plates. 2 of the tablecloth covers or whatever. And 2 packs of these balloons, because I'm going to do like a whole birthday theme layout for you guys. In regards to this theme. So I will be doing like a balloon garland and just using these in the balloon garland. And then I got a pack of the cups. You can see them, they're so cute. So they have these Teenage Mutant Turtle pails. I figured I could use this for a theme like that, either for centerpieces base or on the actual treat table. Along with that, I either might use it for an event or use it for a video to show you guys some themed cupcakes. But these are Ninja Turtle cupcake liners that I would use for the design. Also little random knickknacks I got. The cupcakes, you know, I haven't really done many videos and posts on those, but I got some little cupcake. Why can't I think of the word, guys? Cupcake toppers. But I got them, and these are like 36 packs. I got them in this lime green. As well as these cars ones. Now I will do a video on these because I know this is not something that I can just save forever. So I will do a video on some themed cupcakes for a Cars theme party. Toppers, I got 3 of these cake picks. So it did just sit into the cake. It says Mr. and Mrs. Gold. I thought that was cute. If not for a wedding, for like an engagement party or something, I think they're really simple and really cute. Along with cake toppers, let me keep going. I also got these for like wedding cake tops. These are the like initial. Sadly, they didn't have S, which is the one I need. But I know these will definitely come in handy. I also got these for my bachelorette party. It says save water, drink booze, but they could be used for anything. But I thought they were just so cute, and because they have the clips on them, so they can just clip them to themselves. May or may not use it for the wedding. I don't really know, but it says official ring bearer, like a whole shirt. It says ring security on the back and stuff. I thought it was cute. Of course, I had to go with the green, y'all. So I literally I sent my fiance and my daughter to go back into the aisle while I was checking out to go grab more green stuff. And they literally grabbed every single one. I don't even know how many it is. Way over how many I need. Oh, sorry. But it definitely going handy, and I have no complaints about this. Also got them in like the lime green, sage green, whatever you want to call it, color. And gold. These 2 gold designs for the plates. I forgot about these favorite boxes.
So we got pinatas. So we have this one. And then this one. This one I'm going to use for my birthday.
So yeah, guys, that is my haul. I got $1,600 worth of things for 82 bucks. You cannot tell me that was not a deal. I don't really know where the full receipt is anymore, but I have a picture of it. I'm gonna post it. But here is just a piece of it, so you can see like how much money I saved. So like, this was $1.99. The 95% off took off $1.89. So I paid 10 cents. And that is one of the 16 count packs of plates. Discount price that was just coming off a lot of this stuff. One thing that this showed me, y'all, I'm about to start looking up like going out of business places and start hitting these sales. These are like unbeatable, uncomparable, unmatched sales, y'all. So thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, you can do anything that you set your mind to, y'all. Y'all got it. Stay tuned for these DIYs, more hauls, everything. If you have anything, events or themes or whatever it is that you guys want to see, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Everything else, all the links, everything will be posted in the description box. But again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can get notified when I post videos. Mwah.